If you look at IT budgets within the GCC region, there has been an average increase of 30% in IT budgets as of 2015. This is a sizable amount because a 30% increase in budgets specifically allocated to IT is definitely very telling of the focus that education institutions have on IT within their premise. In terms of, there is a difference between different countries. Qatar, as you know, has one of the most advanced education segment within the region. So it had the highest growth in IT budgets, as well as the highest budget allocated to IT within the overall GCC region. Qatar definitely stands out in many of these education sector studies because they do have one of the highest internet access among schools, a very highly developed primary education sector, as well as advanced research laboratories for secondary education, higher education as well. UAE definitely comes in next in terms of the IT budgets allocated. This chart here shows growth, but in terms of the IT budgets allocated, UAE comes second, and UAE, as you know, is considered to have the most developed education sector in the region. So, in terms of IT budgets, we expect this to continue on its growth momentum. There is increasing focus. Like in every other industry, technology and procurement of IT and usage of IT has kind of become mandatory for any kind of organization, be it in the education sector or not, to stay alive, to be current. So this is really important. In terms of some of the factors, drivers and inhibitors of within these IT budgets is in terms of the drivers, the increasing expectations from the sector. So with the influx of expat population, there are people from all over the world in the Gulf region now, or in the GCC region. So there is an increased expectations from the education sector. People migrating here from the UK or the US, India, Australia. They come here with certain expectations from the education system, and they want these expectations to be met. So this in turn is propelling institutions to further innovate, to push their bars in terms of IT budgets and the education sector development. Also, what is prominent in the GCC region is the government initiatives. The Ministry of Education in each of the countries of the GCC region has been extremely active in developing and promoting best practices within the education segment. They are constantly increasing their budgets allocated to the education sector, having lots of regulatory and compliance to propel the overall segment forward and to put it on the global map in terms of education. Also,